How to apply for NatWest credit card. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari for now. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for NatWest credit card login. Now head over to any of the site from here. Let me move into the very first site. You will land on this official page. Tap on Allow. Click on Login at the top left corner of the screen. If you want to create an account, tap on Sign Up here. Now scroll all the way down and you have to choose type of customer you are. Let me choose personal. Now you will have to enter your detailed information. Enter your first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, home postal, and also your banking details. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Continue, and then your account will be created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.